Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. If you need your the money instantly, then how you can do it from your PayPal account, I will show you this. So let's get started. For this, first open your PayPal app. After opening the app, log in with your credentials. Then from the home page, you have to first link your bank account. So in order to do that, select wallet from the bottom right corner. Then here you will see bank account and cards, and add new option, tap on it, and add to wallet option section. You will see bank accounts or debit and credit cards. Tap on bank accounts and give your bank account details and add your bank account. Then go back to home and select your balance. Then you will see options, add money, transfer. Tap on transfer. Then you will see two options, transfer to bank, transfer internationally. From here, tap select transfer to bank. Then here you will see two options again, in minute, in 2 to 3 days. If you want to take the money instantly, then select in minutes and then select transfer, and that's it. That's how you can send money from your PayPal account to your bank account instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.